Hi everybody, it's Sally from Sallystampers. Thank you for joining me today. Today I'm bringing you my Penguin Playmates mug. Well, do I need to say any more? These penguins are the cutest, and you even get to get some of the DSP as part of our sale-a-bration. It's just so cute. I love them. I think they're the cutest. As you can see, they are sort of dinky little mugs. These are the miniature Haribo sweets, and I just put a couple in just to give you an idea of what you can put in them and the size really. So they are dinky, but how cute is this penguin? I couldn't decide which option I preferred, so I've got the stitched stars here, and I've just got layering circles. I think I prefer the circles, but obviously if you're doing it as a Christmas gift, you might want to sparkle it up a little bit and maybe add the star shape, but it's your choice. But yeah, so cute. I'm going to show you how to make them, and they're really simple. You'd be surprised. So to start off with, then you're going to need a piece of cardstock that is 8.5 by 4.25. That's 21 by 11 centimeters. On the short side, you want to score at 1.5 inches, which is 4 centimeters. And then on the long side, we are literally going to score every inch. So that would be 2.5 centimeters. So all the way to the very end, just keep scoring every inch, 2.5 centimeters. Simple as that. Okay, so you should know the drill by now. Fold and burnish all of these score lines, and there's quite a few of them. So just keep going all the way down, and then we have this thin section at the bottom here. So I'm going to cut away the small section here, and then I just want to give it a little trim, a little wedge, sorry, into the edge just there. Okay, and then all these ones here, we're going to cut them separate. So we're just going to get cutting these all the way to that score line, each one all the way up. And as I've said in my previous tutorials, these products are all available to be purchased through my online store. There is a link to it below, and there's also a link to my blog with all the measurements and all the details on. DSP we have here. So these are, you need 8 strips, and these are 3/4 of an inch by 2.5 or 2 by 6.5 centimeters, and you're just going to stick them on alternatively. So yeah, so all the information is there on my blog. I've put that the wrong way round, so we'll try again. This one needs to be blue. So yeah, go and have a look. The sale-a-bration item is this beautiful DSP. So if you spend €60 or £45 prior to your shipping fees, then you will be able to claim this cute little DSP free. Oops, nearly. It has cute little penguins on, as you can see. It has snowmen, it has foxes. It's just so cute. Oh, I've done it again. What is wrong with me? Right, I'm going to switch these around then now. And I know that this doesn't have an image on, but I'm not going to worry too much. Pay attention when you're putting your DSP on is my answer to this. Okay, so DSP alternate patterns. You then just need a little bit on here, And then we're just going to curl this around, line it up, and that's that bit done. And then starting from this join here, I'm just going to put a little bit of adhesive on these panels. Oops. I'll just put it on those ones for now. So that's the first one by my join here. And then just fold them in, one on top of the other. And then when you get to this point, just be mindful of which bit is going to be showing when you come to put the last one down. And this last one I'm just going to put a double bit on there. And then again, just make sure that you're happy with the shape as well. And once you are, then just press down the bottom here to get all of those pieces to adhere. Where's my join gone again? Lost it, there it is. And there's your basic pot stroke mug. Your handle is a teeny tiny strip that measures 4 inches by half an inch, or 10 centimetres by 1 centimetre, and you just simply need to score my bin, sorry about that. You just need to score either end at half an inch or 1 centimetre. And then just grab your bone folder and give it a little bit of a curl just to help it. And then you just fold those pieces that you've scored in. We'll just pop some, wrong one, pop some adhesive on there. Crikey, come on. That's better. And then wherever your join is, there we go, you just want to stick your handle, and I've just used this as a gauge really because the handle is at the side where no one's really going to look for the join. Because if you think of holding it sort of this way, you don't want to see the join here. So mine's just here, where it's hidden with the handle. I'm going to put my sweeties in. And obviously I'm afraid it's too early for me to buy little candy canes or anything like that, but I probably would have put some of those in too. And then you just need to decorate it, which is the easiest part. So I have a penguin pre-made here, but I'm going to show you how super simple he is anyway. So you just need, not prepared here clearly, so you just need your penguin builder punch. You need some basic black for this shape here. You need some basic white. I'll just grab some of that for this shape here. And then that just sits inside there like so. And then a couple of little feet. So this is Mango Melody that I'm using here. There we go. And I also use the same for his beak. And then Penguin Place, there's the beak, there's the eyes, and they come on photopolymer sheet And again, there are the eyes, and that's the beak I used just there. So once you've got your little tiny feet, I'm going to use this one being as it's already done up. I'm going to stick the little feet on. So I have seen the feet added two different ways. Some people have added them like this, so it looks as though he's sat down, but I quite like to add mine this way, because I think it makes it look like he's actually walking then, although that glue dot was a bit too far forward. But I like to add his feet that way instead. So there's my little penguin, and then all I need now are my layering circles, and I've obviously got my two here ready. This one for my white, this one for my balmy blue, and then I'm just going to grab, now I'm going to just grab my big one simply because I still haven't dug out those replacement plates yet for my mini. I really must, but I haven't just got round to it yet. So that's the balmy blue, that's the basic white. And as I say, you can pretty much use any shape, really. Okay, just take them out of the way. Okay, so there are those parts. So I'm going to stick the white circle onto the balmy blue. I'm then going to stick my little penguin on here. So he's just going to sit just there in the centre. And then back to my penguin place, and I want the hat and the scarf. So I've just got a couple of my blocks here. There's my scarf, there's the hat, and I've also got a little sentiment, just the season's greetings. So I need balmy blue for my hat and my scarf. So I'm just going to pop them over here. I'm using this space because my sentiment's going to go at the bottom there. So hat and scarf, and I'm fairly confident my sentiment is stamped in memento. So got that. Stamp that on there, and then I've just realised I've thrown away that bit of balmy blue when I do actually need it. Right, so unfortunately we don't have a punch or a die for the hat and scarf, but I'm just going to fussy cut them. Quick and easy. The scarf is pretty much a straight line, and then I've just literally gone along the straight edges here, and then all you need then is your scissors just to cut in those little angles. Oh my goodness. I like fussy cutting when it's quiet, and it actually makes you appreciate the quiet as well, I think. Plus I can't concentrate. I can't do anything other than, when I'm fussy cutting, I concentrate. I can't listen to anything else. But as I say, these are just really easy to die cut out. sorry, to fussy cut out, as you can see. And I just think they make a great addition to these lovely little characters. So glue dot in again, so one for the hat. I'm going to use a couple on the scarf, I think. And there. And then, whoops, don't need that many. Just tear that off there. So his little scarf will just sit there, and his little hat is just going to sit there. Actually, I think I've been better off with a... Let's take them off, put a mini dimensional on. I think that would work far better. Yes. There we go. Oops. So there's his little hat. And then my sentiment, I'm going to be brave and just free cut this one. I've still got sticky all over my scissors. And then I'm just going to stick that, famous last words, stick that onto the bit of balmy blue I have here, and then just cut that one as well. And then I use just, I need a glue dot that end and a dimensional this end, and then I'm going to pop that just on there, and then you just need a strip of adhesive down the back to sit on the front of your card, your box, sorry. And there you have them. There are your super cute penguin Playmate mugs. Thank you for joining me. Hope to see you all again very soon.